friends are hungry. Let's get some pizza delivered to the wolves. Choose a pizza to make. Margarita. Carry items into the basket. Basil. Tomatoes. Correct. Halfway through. Olive oil. Well done. Cheese. Good. Well done. You've collected all the ingredients. Time to make some pizza. This needs to be cut. We need to grate this. Tear off all the leaves. Great! The ingredients are ready. There's some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for topping. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Hurrah! You found him! Let's hurry to our friend. Watch out! Squirrels ahead! Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. Watch out! A log ahead! Watch out! A stone ahead! Hurrah! We've arrived! Cut the pizza in slices! Now, give everyone a slice. Well done! And you tap the present to hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.